Public speaking is the #1 fear amongst humans, surpassing death, heights, and the dark. Most people, especially high schoolers, struggle with public speaking, though there is a way to get over this fear. Let's check out public speaking class and see if practice really does make perfect.
Being comfortable whilst you're speaking publicly is so important because it's the building blocks of being able to establish yourself in any sort of environment, social environments, corporate environments, everywhere. Everything from workplaces to school, from just asserting yourself in average conversation, it's really important to be able to be comfortable when speaking to others. In public speaking class, you learn how to, 1, get over communication apprehension, 2, properly articulate how you feel and how you think into words, and 3, be able to properly address prompts so that you can speak in front of a group of people and keep your speech and your thoughts coherent and linear. I'd say the main way to improve your speaking skills is to practice. That's one of the biggest things we go over in public speaking. It's to continuously practice over and over and over again until you feel entirely comfortable with what you're doing.
I would highlight and underline the people that are shy and the people that don't think they can do stuff like this. Like, for example, the people in the class that don't ask questions because they're too intimidated by the other people in their class, by their peers, and they think that their ideas would be stupid or considered nonsense. So if you are one of those people, I do really recommend that class for you.
It helps you grow as a person and get more comfortable in your skin and stay open-minded.
It lets you become, feel comfortable in unfamiliar areas or places.
And there it is. I know I feel so much better talking in front of people now that I've taken public speaking class. For MTHS 21, I'm Jaden W. Thanks for watching.